Hello friends, I am Salih Sadhu, your maths teacher, and we will do today quadratic equation of class 10. We know that Babylonians were the first to solve the quadratic equations of the form x square minus px plus q equals to 0. Okay, Brahmagupta then solved in this form ax square minus bx equals c, and like that was as Indian mathematician in 1025 Sridharacharya derived a well-known quadratic formula for solving a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this form by the method of completing this square. We will do about the method of completing this square in afterwards in the upcoming classes. He derived two formula. One is alpha equals to minus b plus root under d by 2a, and one beta equals minus b minus root under d by 2a. D is known as discriminant and it is b square minus 4ac. So what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is in a variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and a not equals to 0. If a becomes 0, then x square becomes 0, and this will be linear equation because x power is 1. Therefore there are two roots of quadratic equation. A real number alpha is called a root of quadratic equation, and in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals to 0, that means x is equal to x is equal to alpha satisfy this equation, or x is equal to alpha is the solution of this equation or roots of this equation. Then solving a quadratic equation. There are many ways to solve a quadratic equation. First, let us do two examples how to identify a quadratic equation. Let's suppose x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. Here x power 1 and nothing is there, so there it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation, but let's take another 3x square minus 2 root under x plus 8. This one is not a quadratic equation because here the x power is half plus 8. Okay, so dear friends, we will do some next. Let us take 2x minus 1 x minus 3 equals to x plus 4 x minus 2. Is this a quadratic equation? First we have to solve it. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to x square plus 2x minus 8. X square minus, this will come here, then only x square minus this will go there. Let it come here minus 9x everyone this is minus and this plus, plus 11 equals to 0. Here a is 1, x square coefficient is 1, b is x coefficient minus 9, and c is the consonant equals to 11. So it is a quadratic equation. So let's see solving a quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay, let the given equation be ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a not equals to 0. Let this equation be expressed in the as the product of two linear expressions, say px plus q and rx plus s, where p, q, r, s are real numbers such that p is not equal to 0 and r is not equals to 0. P, q, r, s are real numbers and p not equal to 0, q not, sorry, p not equal to 0 and r not equals to 0. Okay, so then I'm coming in the next